Hi friends, here is my Logitech keyboard, Logitech K380 keyboard. Let's review this keyboard. It's a nice wireless keyboard, Bluetooth enabled. You can use it on three devices. Like at the same time, you just have to switch with these keys. Let me give you the overall perspective. What this has and what this doesn't have. It has the multimedia keys. Here is the Windows. You can switch, play, pause, forward, volume, mute, and all those other keys. It has the Windows key, alt if you are connecting on a Windows device, and you can connect it on a MacBook. Let me show you. Here is my MacBook, and it has got the backlit lightning. Okay, let me make my room dark a bit. Yes, you can see it has the backlit lightning, but this thing doesn't have that. This is one of the shortcoming. The good thing about this keyboard is the batteries never go out of power. They always stay. I have been using it for more than 2 years, and I don't think if I ever changed the batteries, so they are still going very strong. It connects very easily. It's just plug and play. The light is coming. It means the second device is connected. You can see on my Mac, it got connected. Now I can do the things on my Mac so easily. So easy, very easy. The keys are smooth. There is no the keys are not dead, not like they are not unresponsive. They are still going very strong. Even the smaller keys, oh, smooth. They don't have a problem. Let me switch it off. And there is the battery port where you put two batteries, smaller batteries. They are not bigger batteries. Can remove because I'm holding the camera with my other hand. And the other thing is, if you are going to remove the dust out of the keys, it's difficult. You cannot open. You can open the keyboard. You can screw it down and open, but putting out the keys and putting them back is an impossible task. Don't do that. Use a toothbrush or some other brush. Make it bad with some maybe face wash. Just rub around, and the dust will come out. Let me show you. I've been using it for long, and I don't give much care to this thing, but it's nice. It's just nice. It's smooth. Doesn't have any problem. It's lightweight, not a feather kind of thing, but it's lightweight, small. You can carry in a backpack. It gets connected easily, smooth, looks easy. People appreciate it. And if you have this on your desk, you will definitely appreciate the beauty, the smallness, and yeah, got many things. The other problem is if you are connecting on a Windows, it doesn't have a print screen button. It doesn't have home up, down, and all those keys. But I don't think if you need them, not very much needed. So it has all those keys. If you are a developer or programmer or whatever, these keys are here. Everyone needs them. Okay, it has got all those keys: backspace, Windows, two shift keys, one enter, alt, option, command, control, function. You don't need them. Okay, overall a good deal. Don't waste too much money on this thing, the keyboards, but don't go for those Chinese keyboards, smaller ones. This looks nice, buy it. And uh, Mac has a nice keyboard. Look at the let me smooth. This is, yeah, smooth. It has a almost same feel. Let me almost same. Nice. You'll appreciate the beauty. And if you are going to buy this, if you have some more questions, you want to ask me some like very small details, like questions like if you're going to buy this thing, do put in the comments. And if you're liking my videos, make sure you give a thumbs up, and hope or subscribe to. Thank you. You have a great day.